What's up guys, Alex with Your Tech Explain, and in today's video, we're gonna have a giveaway. We haven't had one here on the channel for quite a bit of time, so I'm really excited. And we're actually teaming up with a company called One More. If you haven't heard of them, they make some great headphones, and that's exactly what we're gonna be giving away. So we have two products from One More. Without further ado, I'm just gonna dive right in so you guys can see exactly what they are. So the first ones are triple driver in-ear headphones. These are great for if you're on the go, if you need headphones to take in your pocket, in your backpack. They come with a great little carrying case, and that is the first product. Second one is these triple driver over-ear headphones. I actually use these on a day in and day out basis for video editing. It's got a premium build to them. Audio, of course, is great, and I love the carrying case. These are my go-to as it comes to video editing. So these are the two products, guys, that we're gonna be giving away here on our channel. Now the details to enter. Today on Fridays when this video goes live till next Friday is how long the giveaway will last, so for 1 week. If you want to know exactly how to enter, all you have to do is visit our website. We have a link in the description below with more details and information on how you can enter this giveaway. And we're going to announce the winners next Friday on our social networks, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Google+. You can also follow One More. I'll leave the links in the description below. Again, a huge thanks to them for teaming up with us for this giveaway. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. I'm Alex with Your Tech Explain, and I'll see you guys in our next video.